Hey guys, if your paint job is hazy on top right now, it's hazy like this on the roof and the trunk. If you don't want your paint to peel, if you don't want that clear coat to blister off and peel, you need to clean it when it's like this. Now let me give you a big clue. This is just water I'm gonna put on here, okay? If you notice that the top of your car looks good when it's wet, look how beautiful that looks when it's wet, but then it dries up and it goes away, you don't wanna wax that. These are contaminants that are embedded inside the clear that are going to cause the clear coat to peel. So what I got here is something that'll fix it. You need to fix that. This is called Lukat Fix It. This is not a car wax, it's a cleaner. So when you put this on, you're not going to use it like a wax, you're going to use it like a cleaner. Now let me show you what that means. When you wax a car, you do the circles because you're masking the paint to leave some wax on there. This is not a wax, it's a paint cleaner. I'm gonna put this on because I need to clean this clear coat before it peels. So I'm gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna clean it in sections. You don't smear this on. You're fixing the paint. There's no wax involved in this product. All you're doing is removing the embedded clear or contaminants that are in the clear coat. You're just cleaning. Look how beautiful that's coming out. I'm going back and forth. I wanna clean all the contamination up and not cut the clear. This is what you do. And I don't know if you guys can see how beautiful that came out. Can you see that? You catching that? Okay. So this is easy to use, but guys, remember, it's not wax, it's a cleaner. So when you use this, you want to put it on and just clean. It's real easy to use. You can do great big spots. In the beginning, do a tight little spot, just to get used to it. Okay. But look, you just hit the same spot. It gets inside the striations, which are the micro cracks on top, and it just removes all that buildup. Wow, there's a lot right here. So all I'm doing is cleaning. I'm not removing the clear. Boy, this stuff's really dirty. So you want to clean it, not cut it. Because when you clean it, you literally fix the paint. It's called Lukat Fix It. You can get it at lukatdetail.com. Look how beautiful that's coming out. Can you see that? All right, go ahead and stop it.